a concept to completion project by Rinac. Presenting the Integrated Seafood Processing Unit for KFDC, Tadadi, Karnataka. A facility equipped with IQF in-feed conveyors, blast freezers, freon-based refrigeration, and clean processing and packing zones. The journey begins at the receiving dock, where freshly harvested fish are unloaded with care by trained personnel. Before entering the processing hall, employees follow stringent hygiene protocols. At the changing room, they switch to the required uniforms. Hand washing is mandatory to maintain uncompromised food safety. Inside the atmosphere-controlled clean processing area, the fish are carefully sorted and hygienically packed, ready for rapid freezing. These packed products are then transferred to blast freezers, where they are rapidly frozen to preserve freshness and quality. The facility is equipped with a Flake ice machine and a temperature-controlled cold room to maintain the perfect environment for seafood preservation. Our advanced straight-line individual quick freezing system ensures uniform freezing, maximizing shelf life and quality retention. Complementing it is the spiral individual quick freezing unit, ideal for high throughput, space-efficient freezing of various seafood products. After freezing, the fish are packed and moved into the ante-room, a controlled zone before final storage. The facility features freezer rooms, chill rooms, and a mezzanine-equipped cold room. From there, products are moved to the dispatch dock, ready for delivery via Rinac's chill Kart refrigerated reefer trucks. Supporting this entire operation is a robust system of refrigeration equipment and electrical infrastructure, including a dedicated substation yard and bait station. The facility also includes state-of-the-art laboratories and testing labs to ensure every product meets the highest safety and quality standards. Rinac envisioning ideas into reality. A European Union certified seafood processing unit. For more details, please contact us.